this on here, I pump, I do this, put on it, and I pump. I showed you how the wheel turns. This makes the wheel turn. Come here, I'll show you. See this thing right here attached to that? Look. That is attached to my wheel, and this goes around my wheel. And you see, I'll pick this up. Oh, okay. Flip it over. See that? You see how come here, go on the other side. Go on the other side, okay? Then you'll see. The blue thing that's attached to this is moving too. That's how this makes the wheel turn. I know, because my dad